Yes, ma'am. Now you cannot tell me that this is not growing out of my scalp. Hey my divas, welcome back to my channel. You see it, we're doing a wig install. And if you are new here, my name is Savita. I am based in Birmingham, Alabama, but I'm originally from Charleston, South Carolina, whatever. And I am doing a wig install today. I love wearing wigs. I love styling wigs. Well, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I don't like wearing wigs, especially when it's getting hot and hot and hot, or like when I'm trying to work out. But anyways, today is about glam. I have a campaign to shoot, so we're keeping it sexy with this wig. I have actually had this wig before, and I got so many compliments on it, so I was like, let's just run it back. One thing about me, when it comes to synthetic wigs, I am not one to boil them and do all that other stuff. So we're gonna get into it together with this fresh new wig. This is Sensational Rashana. And as you can see, we're midway through the wig install. So hopefully you can watch it until the end and that you learn something from this. All right, let's get into it. All right, so first things first, you already know you got to put on a wig cap. This is a no-brainer, but this wig does not come with a wig cap, so definitely going to put one from your collection. I'll go to a beauty supply store and apply some makeup that matches your skin tone. This is what the wig looks like. It's already pre-plucked. Get into it. Now I am going to pluck her a little bit more. And as you can see, I'm using some lace tint spray so that way she can look a little bit more natural. She's not giving natural right now, but now she is. Yes, ma'am. You see it. Get into it. And then how I put the wig on is, being that I don't have any hair, really, I just tuck the back of, like, that wig comb that's in the back, I just tuck that into my wig cap. And then what I like to do is, of course, match up my hairline and then as well as a wig cap, because I'm not one to do a bald cap method. I'll do them here and there, but I really am not a bald cap method type of girl, especially when I don't have time for it. They take forever. But anyways, to give her a more realistic hairline, I'm going to pluck her a little bit. And this tweezer that I have, these tweezers, they're a little cheap. So I have to like really snatch and grab, okay? Snatch and grab and go. Just to make her look a little bit more natural. And then I was kind of like playing with the part because I was like, ooh, do I want to do a bust down middle part? Or do I want to do a sexy, glamorous side part? As you can see, the hair is like the hair is poofy, so you definitely have to flatten it. And I decided, you know what, let's just do a side part. I love a good glam side part. So that's what we're going for today. And I'm giving her a deep side part. So just get into it. Just watch. Since this is a synthetic wig and I don't plan on wearing it for more than a week, I am using the Bold Hold Lace Jelly to melt the lace on this wig. By the way, as you can see, I did not plug the entire hairline of this wig. That's why right there beside my ears, that side is very thick. Like that hairline is very thick because I didn't plug it. I didn't feel like it. I'm going to be covering that side anyways. Also, this is the part where I typically pull out my hairs for the baby hairs. But I decided like down the road that I did not want you to do baby hairs. But just in case you do want to do baby hairs, this is the next step. All right, so the next step is I'm going to use an elastic band to just cure the hair gel into the lace. But you can't tell me this isn't giving like a prom or maybe even a wedding look. It's just something about those curls that give that vibe. But I feel like this wig is perfect for prom. But anyways, I just let that wig band sit on my hairline for like a good 5 minutes. And then I pulled out my hot comb and I have it on 15. The max is 20, but I just put it on 15 because it's synthetic and I didn't want it to melt. And I'm using my Care wax stick to really just lay that side down and get it as flat as I can while still keeping the volume. And as you can see, that wax stick just really helps mold it down. And then of course the heat from the hot comb helps lay it down, and I'm here for it. All right, as you can see, at this point, I was like, you know what? We're not going to do no baby hairs. We're just going to take a little bit of that hair right there on the edges and just kind of do a little slight swoop because my natural hairline was peeking out a little bit. Then I'm just using a wide tooth comb to really separate the curls. But this is the final look, sis. It's my favorite wig from the Sensational collection. I just love everything about it. It's glam, it's flirty, it's sexy. It's everything you need. And I'm turning around so that way you can get all the way into it as far as the density. If you ask me, I would say this is about a 150 to 200 density. Just get into that. You see it. You know you see it, sis. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And yes, ma'am. But hold on, wait. I got to add the lashes and the lipstick. What you think, sis? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.